In Dumas method, 0.5 grams of organic compound. It gives 112 ml of nitrogen at STP. Then calculate percentage of nitrogen. Here in Dumas method, for the estimation of nitrogen present in the given organic compound, it is estimated as nitrogen gas. Nitrogen in the organic compound is estimated as nitrogen gas. As 22,400 ml of nitrogen gas at STP means 1 mole weighs 28 grams. So 22,400 ml 28 grams. Therefore 112 ml 28 by 22,400 into 112, that is cost 0.14 grams. Therefore percentage of nitrogen equals to weight of nitrogen in grams by weight of organic compound into 100, that is weight of nitrogen 0.14 grams by weight of organic compound 0.5 grams into 100, that is equals to 14 by 0.5. 0.14 into 100, 14 by 0.5, that is equals to 14 by 1 by 2 equals to 28% of nitrogen present in the given organic compound. A hydrocarbon contains 90% carbon by mass. Then what is its empirical formula? Here hydrocarbon means it contains hydrogen as well as carbon. So now carbon percentage is 90 by mass. So carbon 90, the remaining 10% is hydrogen by mass. 90 is to 10, simply 9 is to 1. This 9 is to 1, if it is multiplied by 4, we have 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4. This 36 units of mass of carbon corresponds to C3, because carbon atomic weight is 12. 12 3s are 36, hence it is C3. And H atomic weight is 1, so 4 units of mass means it is H4. Hence the compound is C3H4, that is atomic ratio is 3 carbons to 4 hydrogens, 3:4, and the formula C3H4. A hydrocarbon contains 80% carbon. Then its empirical formula. Hydrocarbon means it has hydrogen as well carbon. As carbon percentage is 80, definitely hydrogen is 20 by mass. Dividing by 20, 24s are 80, 21s are 20, that is 4:1. This 4:1 ratio multiplied by 3, so that 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3. This 12 units of mass of carbon corresponds to C1. Carbon atomic is 12, so it is C1. And this 3 units of mass of hydrogen corresponds to H3, since H atomic weight is 1. So 3 units of mass, that is H3. Hence atomic ratio is 1:3, and empirical formula is C1H3, that is CH3.